Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2016 Lexus GX460 passenger side door lock actuator. Driver side will be the same as the passenger side, just minus two other additional steps that you'll want to perform. Here is the actuator assembly itself. This is for the passenger side. Everything will look the same except for this one. For the driver's side, we'll have a key cylinder assembly that will go in here from here. It'll go through to a little lock rod right in this vicinity over here, and it will basically mechanically unlock the door for you. Passenger side does not have it, but driver's side does. So that's really the only difference between passenger and driver's side. The process is roughly the same, just the driver's side. Move this little plug. There's a T20 Torx bit in there. Loosen up the Torx bit. The cover itself will come off with the key cylinder. Then you can take the key cylinder out in order to remove this assembly. Makes it easier for going back in and out too. Now, removal process. Door panel comes off. Hidden panel right here. There's a screw, Phillips head. Take your assembly off here for the window switch. Just unplug it. There's no screws back behind here. This panel here for the armrest, it'll just pop up, and then you have a Phillips head screw goes right in here. And then other than that, the panel is just nothing but trim clips. Take a screwdriver to the side, start popping, and then that piece will come off. You'll have two door lock assemblies right here. They come off real easy, which go on the handle itself. Pop those loose, disconnect your connector here, pull back your film for right here, disconnect your connector for the door lock assembly, just pops out, move it out of the way. There's a 10 right here that I'll be putting back in. This is for the window guide. Move that window guide, unscrew, take that 10mm out, move the window guide out of the way so that when the assembly comes out, it'll come out and you won't get stuck right there at the actual guide itself. And these are T25s. 25s or 30s. It's a big one. Unscrew those three. Whole assembly comes right out. Piece of pie. And once it's out, you have to switch over the cables. This cable here will just pop out of this little assembly right here, lift right up. This one here, the cover will come off at the bottom, and the same thing. So just transfer both your cables. You can't really mix them up where they go because they only go in one specific area. But other than that, going back together, this took me all of 10 minutes to get to this point. So this is probably about a 30-minute job. All you really need is a flathead Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, T25, T30, and that's about it. And a trim stick to get the tool, the panels off and stuff like that, so you don't scratch up any of the trim. Tools like yay. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.